Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for a code editor, then you are in the right place. Today we're having a look at Cursor. We're also having a look at Cline. We want to know what they offer and how they can really ultimately benefit you. Okay, so looking at Cursor now, you can actually supercharge your coding workflow. Cursor AI is quite a powerful tool. It aims to transform your coding experience in a whole. It offers a wide range of intelligent features that are actually designed to boost your productivity and enhance your code quality. At the core of Cursor AI, it actually has the ability to integrate seamlessly within a familiar coding environment. This also allows you as a developer to access advanced tools as well as functionality without disrupting your already established workflows. It also leverages the power of AI and provides intelligent code completion, smart code improvement suggestions, and other more advanced capabilities. These features, of course, work together to help develop a cleaner, more efficient code. Ultimately, it will streamline your coding process and your output will be of better quality. So whether you are an experienced programmer or you are just starting out your coding journey, Cursor AI does have the potential to elevate those coding skills and accelerate your project delivery. It's got a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology. It is poised to become an invaluable asset in your coding toolkit. Okay, so let's jump into Cline now. So Cline is an open source AI coding assistant trusted by more than 36,000 developers worldwide. Its dual plan or dual act modes enable strategic coding automations with VS Code or Virtual Studio Code. The latest version is the 4.0 and it was released in April of 2025 with powerful enhancements. Having a look at some of the key features and some of the capabilities that it opens up to, it offers code generation. So autonomously generates and edits code with intelligent file management. Moving over to the right, it has terminal control, so it executes commands with secure permission systems. It has a human oversight on the bottom right hand side. You can see here it says approval systems ensure controlled automation. And the last thing here is web research. It browses the web for documentation as well as solutions. The last thing over here is the workflow benefits. So it handles complex tasks across large code bases with ease. It automates routine coding tasks to save your valuable time. It works within your existing VS Code environment, so it's really awesome that it's all in one place. And the plan mode helps think through complex development challenges. This is all fantastic. And there we go. A absolute amazing head-to-head. The takeaway, I always state, make sure that you're using more than one software suite. Make sure that you know what it is that your needs are and then align them with what the software is providing. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.